Hello students, in today's session we are going to learn rotational symmetry. As in the previous session we learned about line of symmetry as we learned in the class 6th also. And we know that a line divides the figure into two equal halves, that the part of the figure in the left side of the line and the right side of the line is same, so that line is called as axis of symmetry or line of symmetry, and the figure is known as the symmetrical figure about its axis. That axis is line of symmetry. In the same way, today we are going to learn rotational symmetry. So let's learn about this. As we'll see the reflections in anywhere, in the mirror, in the glass, and here it is in the lake. It is in the lake, a hilltop and a hill, image of a hill is appearing in the lake. In the second figure, here also we can understand that the line, this black line shown, horizontal line, this is known as the line which gives that upper part of the hill, which is actual hill, and the lower part which is in the lake, it is its image. So this line which divides these two is known as the mirror line. Every point in this is the same distance from the center line. This is the center line. This black line shown here, it is in the center. It is known as the center line also, and we known as the mirror line. The reflection has the same size as the original, as if we draw this one pentagon, and this image in the lake is also shown here. So the points, that is the distance of the vertices from this mirror line, is same as in the original, also in the image. So the reflection has the same size as the original image, and this the set, as earlier I told, this mirror line, this black line shown is known as the mirror line, and it can be in any direction. It is not necessary that the mirror line is horizontal line. It may be a vertical line, it may be a diagonal line. In any direction it can be. So here let us understand reflection symmetry. Sometimes it also known as the line symmetry, or we can say mirror symmetry also, is easy to see because why? One half is the reflection of the other half. That means on the upside of this mirror line, the figure as given same, it is looking in the lake also. So here this is the reflection, this image in the lake, it is called the reflection of the image, which is same as the original image. So here in this figure, the picture of dog and this white line is also shown here. So the dog, it has also made this image made by the symmetrical line, this white line, where when we left side and right side of the image of the dog combine, so we get a complete figure where the left and the right part of this line are the same, or we can say are the mirror images. So the image here, dog, has her face made perfectly symmetrical with photo magic. The white line, this down the center, is known as the line of symmetry, or we can say this is the mirror line. Let us understand by the example. when we rotate any figure or any object, suppose if we are rotating this star and marked here 1, when we rotate 8 clockwise, so this 1 will be appear here. Similarly, again when it will rotate, this 1, it was here previously, now goes down in another rotation. Again this 1 shown here, when we rotate it, again it goes the left side. Again rotation, we see in this image this 1 is here when it rotate and this 1 appears here. And the last, as we reach the same figure from where we started it. Okay, this. So what I want to understand, I want to give you the concept that any figure when it rotate, but after the rotation it looks exactly as it was previously. So in all these images, the star is same as is in the shape of a star. There is nothing changes in the image of this star. So this is the concept of rotational symmetry. When any object rotate in any direction, maybe clockwise or anti-clockwise, but after rotation it looks exactly same as the previous. Here again, this is the image of a butterfly. When it rotate in this way, so this butterfly will, the image is in horizontal. Now again when it rotate, its image again it is vertical, but faces are different, and here it is in the again next rotation. So can we say that this image, the last image, is looking exactly same here? No. Now when this butterfly rotate completely by one circle, then exactly it will look like same. Clear? So here the rotation of angle is also important in rotational symmetry. See here, if we spin a wheel of a bicycle, it rotates like this in example. How many times any figure rotate by the particular angle, but still it will look like same. So this figure has the rotational symmetry. And the angle what we are talking about, it is rotating by some angle, so that angle is known as angle of rotation. So here rotation can be in clockwise direction or it can be in anti-clockwise direction. How many times a figure matches its original figure, that number of times is known as the order, that is order of rotational symmetry. Or we can say a shape has rotational symmetry when it still looks the same after some rotation of less than or one full turn. Maybe one figure can be rotate full complete circle, that means angle will be 360 degree, then only it will look like exactly same. It appears sometimes, as we have seen in the previous slide, that figure of star, it will look like same after rotating by a particular angle, it will look like same. So star has rotational symmetry, and how many times it will rotate and it looks like same, that is known as the order of rotational symmetry. So the figures which has some rotational symmetries are here. These are the examples. So when these figures are rotated, this circle, let us take about this, consider it is a circle. When it will rotate, so that means in any angle it can rotate, but it will look like same as a circle. And this star, as we have seen, this design also. Now this design divides into how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6. When it will rotate particular this angle, that means 360 divided by 6 parts are here, so 60 degree. When this figure rotated by 60 degree angle, so it will look like same exactly it is. That means when it will rotate by 60 degree, this shape will goes here and this will comes up, but figure the design will be same as it was previously. Similarly, this symbol also it will rotate, looks like same. So how many times it will rotate and looks like exactly same, that is the order of rotational symmetry. So we can say a shape has the rotational symmetry when after rotating it will look like as it was previous. So here we have some points. A shape has rotational symmetry if it still looks the same after it has been turned. We can say rotation, or we can say after a turn. The order of rotational symmetry is the number of times it will fit on itself as it is rotated. That means the number of times when we rotate it and it will look like same. So number of times, how many times it was rotating and looking as it is, so that number is known as the order of rotation. And this star, consider this star, as we have seen in the earlier slide, how many times we are rotating it? 5 times. That means we can calculate the order by 360 upon angle of first fit. When this turn like this, so how many times it is rotated? 1, then after it will comes here 2, then after it will come here 3, 4 and 5 times. So 360 divided by 5, so that will be the angle of rotation. Now this is square. Again we know that when this square will rotate, so this vertex after rotating it will comes here. Then when again it will rotate, it will come here, this vertex, and then it is here. That means how many times we are rotating and it is looks like same, and it is completing a circle 4 times. So 360 divided by 4, that is 90 degrees. So we can say the order of rotational symmetry for a square is 4. That means 4 times we are rotating any square, and by which angle? 90 degree. So that means we rotate the square by 90 degree angle and it will fit as it is a square. So this is the first fit, then again by 90 degree, second fit, third fit, and similarly when complete 360 degrees. So we get 4 times a figure looking like same. So we can say the square has rotational symmetry of order 4 and rotation by 90 degree.